Hello, everyone. Welcome to Catherine's ESL classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to have a fun game on body sounds. So think about body sounds as things that we might be doing. For example, we might hiccup and we want to learn that sound. We will identify that sound by looking at the picture, listening to the sound, and also how to pronounce the word. So let's have some fun on body sounds. So thank you again, everyone, for joining Ms. Catherine's ESL classroom. Today's lesson is body sounds. So everyone having a great time this year? Happy New Year, everyone. Let's do the guessing game. Are you ready? I know I am. Okay, so if you notice here, we are going to learn body sounds, and this is the happy one, but we are jumping, right? Because we're happy. Okay, so what do you think that sound is? Should I play it again? The giggle, right? So what is it called? Giggle. Everyone repeat after me. Giggle. Good job. What do you think that is? What body sound is that? What do you think by the picture? What do you think this is? That's right, a laugh. Let's repeat together. Laugh. Good job. So what do you think that is? What body sound is that? Well, look at the picture. What do you think she's doing? She's meditating. This body sound would be hum. She is humming. Everyone repeat with me. Hum. And what is she doing? She is meditating. So the body sound is hum. Good job. Okay, look at the picture. What do you think it is again? So look at the man. He's taking the flower, right? And he's putting it to his nose. So what body sound is that? Sniff. We sniff through our nose. Sniff. Okay, so these are the body sounds of uh-oh. So before we were learning the body sounds of happy, right? But these body sounds are, when we do them, we might think, uh-oh. So look at the picture. What is this boy doing? So he's making a body sound that we might be saying, uh-oh. He's doing a body sound where they are gulping, gulping. So what would the body sound be? Let's hear the sound again. Slurp. The body sound is slurp. Did you get that? Let's try this together. Slurp. Good job.
Oh, man.
Uh-oh sound, right? That's an uh-oh body sound. So what kind of body sound is that one? Let's hear it again.
Oh, man.
Groan. Let's repeat this together. Groan. So this man was sitting too long right? So when you sit too long, you have to stretch, right? You got to go like this. You have to stretch. So they groan. He was groaning. Let's say this word together. Groan. Good job. What do you think that body sound was? Let's hear it again. So what is the boy doing? What is his body sound? Snore. Let's say this together. Snore. Let's say this faster. Snore. Good job. What do you think this woman is doing? What do you think that body sound is? It is a sigh. Let's repeat that word together. Sigh. Good job. Uh-oh. Let's hear it again. Everyone's familiar with this one, right? What body sound is that? That's right. It's a hiccup. Let's repeat together. Hiccup. That's an uh-oh body sound, right? Everyone knows this one, right? Let's hear it again. So what body sound is the boy making? Right? We say bless you after someone sneezes. Gave it away. Sneeze. Let's repeat the word together. Sneeze. Good job. So sometimes when people sneeze, people say, uh-oh, or we say, bless you. It depends on the person. That's an uh-oh body sound, right? What body sound you think is the boy making? Let's hear it again. That's right. It's a yawn. Let's repeat together. Yawn. Good job. Wow, that's an uh-oh sound. Let's hear it again. So what kind of body sound is this boy making? It's a scream, right? Scream. Can you say this together? Scream. Good job. Let's listen to this one. So what kind of body sound is this? Remember, this is an uh-oh body sound. What do you think this is called? Whisper. The person is whispering to the other person, right? It's like sound, right? So let's repeat the body sound pronunciation. Whisper. Good job. What body sound you think that is? This is a tough one. What happens when you see a ghost? You get scared. Let's hear it again. This is a tough one. What do you think it's called? It's called a gasp. Let's repeat together. Gasp. Good job. Okay, what happens when someone is out of breath? Maybe they were running too fast, too long. What body sound is that called when you're out of breath and you're making that noise? Let's hear the sound one more time. What do you think it's called? pant. Let's repeat together. Pant. This person is panting. Okay. When you are out of breath, we call it pant. Sometimes dogs pant too. We see this a lot. People pant and dogs pant. Okay, now here are the body sounds of excuse me. So when we make this body sound, we say excuse me, or we're supposed to, right? Let's hear. Excuse me, we say, right? What body sound is this called? Burp. Let's repeat together. Burp. Good job. How many of you say excuse me? Or how many of you laugh, right? This could be a giggle too. Look at the picture of the man. This is another funny sound. What happens when we do this sound? Right? We're supposed to say, excuse me. How many of you say, excuse me? Or do you giggle? What body sound did this man make? That's right, fart. Let's repeat together. Fart. Everyone does this, right? Sometimes we hide it. Sometimes we giggle about it. Well, everyone, how did you do on today's lesson of body sounds guessing game? Now, I hope everyone enjoyed this, and I wish everyone a wonderful day. And until next time, bye.